Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Stefan and today I'm reacting to Big Bang. Song is Crazy Dog and it has actually been a while since I reacted to the Big Bang song, so I'm actually excited about this. And one of you guys told me that it is really good and that you really love this song, so I wanted to check it out. And I actually found a live performance, so this is gonna be really nice. So yeah, without further ado, let's start it. Action! Yo, they're making a party already! Hey! Hey! Wow! This is EDM! Whoa! What is this? Yeah! This is gonna give me Mortal Kombat vibe, not gonna lie. Crazy Dog! Oh my god, it feels so good to see them all together again. Whoa! Yes. Bro, they look so cool though. Dude, I already can feel the rhythm. It's really... Whoa! Yo, T.O.P looks badass. Hands up, guys! Whoa. Sweet voice and looks, indeed. Hey! Oh my god, this song, dude, wait, I wanna say something. Whoa. Yo, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go back. I just wanted to say that, dude, the song always looked the same. Like hair, you know, like maybe it is longer or shorter here and there, but he always looks the same. Hey, blah blah blah. Wow. Hands up. Hands up. Dude, I'm enjoying this song. Hands up. Bro, I love these type of songs that can, like EDM, that makes you dance and party. Whoa! What? Yo, did you see what he just did there? Wait. Yo, wait. Pay attention to... around here, I would say. Maybe left side of the screen. This. Whoa! That's so crazy, so athletic. Bruh. Just move it! What? Yo, who did it? Bro, that's crazy. That's so crazy! Oh yes, we're getting party! I'm trying to dance, I don't know. Electro! Whoa! Let's go! Bruh! Bruh, oh my god. Bro, I didn't party like this for so long. Bro, this was so good. Oh my god. I love this so much. Crazy Dog. More like Party Dog, I would say. Like, bruh, it was so amazing. I'm loving it. And especially the beginning, bro. I am sorry, guys, but if you are okay with it, I would like just to check the beginning once again. The beginning was so crazy. Like, it was like EDM, like, I swear. Oh my god. Yeah, I just want to check this part again. I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is like a Mortal Kombat. You know that intro song? Hi, hi, hi. Crazy Dog! Yeah, that part, dude. That part was so crazy. Wait, I'm gonna go back to here. Yeah, so everyone can see the name of the song. Dude, guys, I swear, you should, like, if you do... I mean, I guess you did check it out, because if you didn't check it out, you wouldn't even search for the reaction of the video. But if you, by the way, like, checked this song, like, long time ago, please check it again, because listening to it live, bro, it's so crazy. Like, it will make you dance. Like, I swear, I really miss this vibe, and I didn't really get used to them like dancing that much. And like, bro, when he did that move, I was like, no way, bro. He's so athletic. Like, I really loved it. I really love this type of songs, man. Like, I love ballads that can actually reach my heart, that actually can make me sad and cry, because I'm kind of weird. I like to watch also like anime, like movies that are sad, so I cry. But I also love this, like EDM, like, bro, it was like so for party. I love it. Yeah, I know I checked my microphone. I was like, if I muted after this was such a good music video, like, I cannot record it again. But dude, I loved it. It was so good. Oh my god, I don't know even what to say anymore. But whenever they're together, they are like making such an impact, you know. It is so amazing, so crazy. Like, yeah, Big Bang is so unique. Like, imagine if they play this song actually on Coachella next year, bro. It will be so wild. But guys, thank you very much for watching me, and let me know in the comments, are you going to watch G-Dragon performance tomorrow? Because at Melon Music Awards, yeah, Melon Music Awards, I think it's gonna be amazing. And I'm also excited to watch Jennie, because, bro, we can also get the Jennie performance. And we know that they're actually close, because I saw like that one scene, like, I don't know what they were recording, but they were actually together, you know, G-Dragon and Jennie, before she debuted at Blackpink. I'm sorry, I don't know even what I'm talking anymore. That's how big impact this song left on me. But yeah, I'm excited about tomorrow too. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching me, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to vibe and to dance and to be happy. I wish you happiness and to have a good rest of your day. See you next time. Bye bye. Annyeong.